So in this video, we will learn how to send Discord channel messages for new Google Ads leads. Now suppose guys, to market your business or product, you are running some Google Ads campaign and you have created a lead form in your Google Ads account. So you want, whenever you receive a new lead from that Google Ad lead form, you want to add those leads or send those lead details into your Discord channels and update your team members. Now guys, this process can be automated. So the trigger of this automation will be getting a new lead on our Google Ads, and the action will be sending those lead details on our Discord channel as a message to update our team members. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Google Ads to Discord. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Google Ads account with Pabbly Connect and get the new leads which are generating from our Google Lead Ad form or in Google Ads account inside Pabbly Connect. Then using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those new lead details on our Discord channel as a channel message. So let's begin. So here guys, in trigger window, in choose app, search for Google Ads. Select Google Ads. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new lead form entry. Because in our Google Ads account, we have created some lead generation forms and we want new entries from the form. We want new leads from that form. Now after selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Lead Ad form with Pabbly Connect and get the new lead data. Now how you can do that? You can follow the help text given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here, and after this we have to go to our Google Ads account. So this is the dashboard of my Google Ads account. After reaching to this dashboard, on the left side we can see different options over here, out of which there is an option named as Ads and Assets. Click on it and click on Assets under it. After clicking on Asset, click on this plus button, and here you can see an option named as Lead Form. Just click on it. Now from here guys, you can basically create a new lead form on your Google Ads account. So if you are getting some details from the user from your leads using this Google Ads, you can completely create a form. You can enter the headline, the business name, description. You can select the questions which you want to ask from your new leads using this lead ad form. Then you can add other details for the same form. Also, if you want, you can enter a submission message, a thank you message, that what will be the message will be shown to the user after submitting the form. And after all of this guys, when you will scroll down after creating your Google lead form, when you will scroll down, here you can see an option named as Export Leads from Google Ads. Just click on it, and under it, there's another option named as Other Data Integration Options, and click here. After this, here you can see an option to enter the webhook URL and key. So in this same section guys, after creating your Google lead form, you have to enter the webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us over here in this same field. And also you have to enter a key over here. So right now I have already created a form. Let me take you to that form. So this is a form named as Travel Booking Form. So in this form, I'm asking some questions from the user like their name, phone number, email and city. And using this form, whenever the user will enter their details and fills the form, I want to send this data to Pabbly Connect. So once again, we will scroll down to this form, and here under Export Leads from Google Ads and Other Data Integration option, here you can see the webhook URL option for the same form. Now here guys, in this webhook URL section, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. Also just enter a random key for your form or for this connection, and then click on Send Test Data. When you click on Send Test Data guys, a test response of this lead ad form is being sent to this webhook URL. And here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that we have received a response. In this response, all the columns, all the fields which you have created in your Google form, we will be getting a response, a test response from Google Ads for the field. So here we have the option, a response for city, that what is the test city, this is the test email address of a user, this is the test mobile number. We will scroll down, we will see a test name, a username, a test username of the user as well. So we have received a data of a test lead, a dummy lead from Google Lead Ads. Now guys, because I don't have any active running campaign on my Google Ads account, that's why we have received this test response from Google Ads. But if you have an active running campaign on your Google Ads account, you can get the response of the new lead generating from this Google Ad form over here in Pabbly Connect. So we are using this test response because right now I don't have any active campaign running on my Google Ads account. If you have, so you can capture the response of your active leads which you are generating from your Google lead form over here in Pabbly Connect. Now guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received the details of a new lead generating from our Google lead form inside Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to step 2, and in step 2, we have to send this data of a new lead like their name, their phone number, their email address and their city. The test data which we have received, we have to send this data of a new lead to Discord. For that, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in choose app, we have to search for Discord. Select Discord. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send channel message HTML. Click on connect. Now after this guys, the first thing it asks us is the webhook URL. Now what it is, we have to basically connect our Discord channel, the Discord channel which we have on our Discord server on which we want to send this new lead details. We have to connect our Discord channel with Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL. Now how you will get this webhook URL of Discord channel? For this, just go to your Discord server. This is my Discord server named as Pabbly Team. And this is the channel which I have created named as New Leads from Google. So after reaching to a channel on your Discord account, here you can see an down arrow. Just click on it and under it, click on server settings. After clicking on server settings, here you have an option of integrations. Click on integrations and then select webhook over here. Click on new webhook and then a new webhook URL is been created. So you can give this webhook URL a name, for example, Pabbly Connect. I'll give this webhook URL, this connection a name. And then it is asking us for the channel, that for what channel on our Discord server we are creating this webhook URL. So in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the Discord channels which you have, out of which we want to create this webhook URL for this channel named as New Leads from Google. So select this channel and click on copy webhook URL and click on save changes. So we have successfully created a webhook URL in our Discord account for our specific channel on which we want to share these details of a new lead. And then after copying this webhook URL, get back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. So using this webhook URL on the same channel for which we have generated this webhook URL, the message will be sent on our Discord server. After this, the next thing it asks us is the message, that what is the message which we want to send. So I want my message to be, okay, so this is the message which I want to send. Hello team, we have received a new lead from Google Ads. And I want to send the name, mobile number, email, and the city of the newly generated lead, the new lead which we received from Google Ads. So from Google Ads of a new lead, of a newly generated lead, we have received the data, the response of the new lead details, which they have entered in our lead ad form. Now from this response, guys, one by one, we have to map this data of name, mobile number, email, and city. So we have to basically map this response over here in this message field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses of new lead form entry which we have received from Google Ads can be seen over here. And from this drop down, select the response of name, the string value for name over here and map it in front of it. Then follow this same process of mapping for other field, other data as well. In front of mobile number, just click here and from the drop down below, select the test response which we have received of mobile number over here. Then after this, just click on this email and then here in this email section, map the response of email and the same thing for city as well. So in this way, all the data of a new lead form entry which we have received from Google Ads inside Pabbly Connect, one by one, you have to just map all of these details in this message section. After this, after creating your message of your choice, the next thing it asks us is the bot name. So basically, we can change the name of the bot which is going to share these messages on our Discord channel. So I want this bot name to be Pabbly, just for an example. And also, if you want, you can change the bot icon, the icon of the bot. So you just have to enter the URL of an image which you want to set up as the bot icon who is going to send these messages. The last thing it asks us is to text to speech. So just don't want to text to speech, so I'm just keeping it disabled. And then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here is being sent on our Discord channel. So let's check it. We will go to Discord, we'll go to our channel. And yes guys, here you can see that on our Discord channel, a new message is being shared by a bot named as Pably. So same bot name we have, which we have given over here. This message says, hello team, we have received a new lead from Google Ads. So we have the name of the test lead, which we have received, the test lead response, which we have received from Google Ads. We have the same name, same mobile number, same email, and also the same city. This means guys, the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated, whenever we are going to receive a new lead form entry in our Google Ads lead form, automatically that form response, that new lead details will be sent on our Discord channel as a channel message. So guys, not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pably Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find a clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pably Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also let me tell you, Pably Connect comes with a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pably Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pably.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.